Hey loves, hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Benyiwaa. If this is your first time chancing on this gorgeousness, hi darling, you're welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, okay? Please, please. But if you're a returning subscriber, hi darling, what's good, what's going on, what's popping? So guys, as you can tell from the title, today's video is a tutorial on how you can do makeup for 10 minutes. This is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial that will take you only 10 minutes to finish. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So I have already cleansed my face. I've actually done my skincare and applied this Vaseline on my lips. As you can see, I'm running out. So the first secret to being able to do your makeup within 10 minutes is to assemble all your products down before you start the makeup. Going in with this moist essence from Blossom to moisturize my face. So guys, I actually thought the phone was recording, but not knowing it wasn't recording. So I have gone in with my Pond's primer. I have used it in my T-zone areas and wherever I get oily most of the time when I do makeup. Because I am in a hurry and we are just doing 10 minutes makeup, I went in with this brow soap. I used my spoolie and I have used it to lay my brows flat. I'm going in with my setting powder and then I'll just set everything in place so that it doesn't move. Another option is to use a got2b glue or any glue of your choice, your eyelash glue. You can use it especially when you have a very fluffy brows and it's hard to lay flat. You can go ahead and use a glue and then you set with your powder. It is going to stay all day. I'm going ahead to use my pencil. It is freshly sharpened. As you can tell, the tips are very sharp. This is how you want your pencil to be. I'm going to outline my brows. Because it's a 10 minutes makeup, we are not going to do anything precise. It's just like I'm filling out my brows. And then we are done with this part of the brows. Okay. Now that we are done with the brows, I'm not even going to bother to conceal my brows. I'll let you guys know how it's going to get concealed. Okay, so when I'm doing this look, I either use little or no foundation at all. So I'm going to start with my Zikel Cosmetics concealer in caramel. This is very close to my skin color or my foundation shade. I'm going to use that under my eye, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and anywhere that I have hyperpigmentation. After I have done this, I'm going to go ahead and blend. Usually I'll wait for it to sit a little bit, but because we only have 10 minutes to finish the makeup, I'm going to blend it straight away. I'll just leave my under eye and let that place be the last that I blend out. After I'm done blending most of my face, I'm going to use the leftover that I have on the brush on my eyelid, and this will serve as like a concealer. So when you are doing this, you want to make sure, take your time and then draw your brows well, because if you make mistakes with your brows, you definitely have to conceal. But because I've done my brows precisely and it's like there's nothing to clean, I can just go ahead and use the leftover of the concealer on the brush on my eyelid. But if you find the need to conceal your brows, please definitely go ahead and conceal it. I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to set everything in place. So to brighten my under eye a little further, I'm going in with the same Zikel Cosmetics, but this time in golden beige. This time I'm going to wait for it to sit a little bit. Going ahead and use my Yanga Beauty SMC6 to contour my face. Stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. So far you realize that I haven't used any foundation on my face. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my under eye now. Now that we have everything blended out, let's go ahead and use my foundation. Just apply a little to places that I feel like I still have hyperpigmentation, or the places where I haven't applied anything at all. Remember, this is a 10-minute makeup, so we are not going for a full coverage. Now I'm going in with this cream blush. This is to add a little color to the face. Now that this is done, I'm going in with this shade to set my under eye. And the fire, take her higher. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with the same powder palette that I have and go in with this brown shade to contour my nose and also serve as an eyeshadow. Copy out the key and tell her. I'm going in with this brush to apply brown powder on my eye. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through I'm going ahead to go into this palette and then use the black shade to create like a liner on my eye. Going in with this angled brush. And don't believe a lie, you understand me. So that is it for the eye. For a 10-minute makeup, you do not have time to fix your lashes. Before I finish off with my eye, I'm going ahead to use my Merak cosmetic setting powder to set under my eye. All about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader, teacher. Then apply a little on the areas that I applied my concealer as well. So with the leftover on the brush, I'm going to just tap that on my cheeks to create like a reverse contour for myself. So I'm going in with this pencil from Kiss Beauty to line my under eye, nothing extra. The last thing I'm going to do on my eye is to apply my mascara from Blossom as well. Because we are not fixing lashes, you want to take your time and use your mascara to add volume to your lashes. Sun in, copy out the key and tell her this is for. I'm going to go ahead and apply this mascara as well to add more volume. If you want to add a little glow to your face, you can always do that. I'm going in with this highlighter to add a little glow to the highest point of my cheeks and apply a little on my nose, and then use my finger to do this on the bridge of my nose. And that's all for highlighting, guys. For the lips, I'm going in with my pencil from Slash Beauty to outline my lips. Understand me. Walk down the valley. Then I go ahead to apply this lip gloss that I have. So mostly when I'm going for a 10-minute look, I don't use a lipstick and now manipulate it to being like an actual lip combination. I just go in with my Flawless Ivy lip combinations. I have a brown one and I have this one, the new shades, but I'm out of the brown one, so I've used my liner to line my lips. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. The valley and the fire, take her. I'm going to go over the brown again. Higher. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face and then we are done. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows like this. And there you have it, guys. 10 minutes and then we are done. It's a very simple makeup with no lashes, and then we did this in just 10 minutes, guys. If you follow the steps carefully, I assure you, you are going to be able to do this and even be able to fix your lashes if you are fast enough. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are going to try this out. Let me know in the comment section below if you are actually going to try this out, okay? And tell me how many minutes you were able to finish. Please, let's be sincere here, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and then share the video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for